Imagine your e-commerce store automatically adjusting prices to stay competitive, 24/7, without you lifting a finger. This workflow builds an AI agent that monitors competitor pricing and updates your store instantly. Before, this meant hours of manual research, price checks, and data entry. Now, you can achieve the same outcome in minutes, completely automated. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear setup to implement this powerful AI advantage.
The old way of monitoring competitor prices was a constant drain on resources. You'd have a team manually visiting websites, copying prices into spreadsheets, and then painstakingly updating your own product listings. This process was slow, error-prone, and reactive. A single pricing change could take hours or even days to reflect in your store, meaning missed sales or lost margins.
With an AI agent, that entire workflow collapses. Instead of days, you're looking at real-time updates. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision and consistency. The AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't make typos, and it doesn't miss a single price change. Let's break down how this transformation happens.
Our first step is setting up a robust web scraping agent. This is the eyes of our AI, gathering raw data from competitor websites. For this, we'll use Scrapy.
Scrapy is an open-source web scraping framework that's incredibly powerful and flexible. It's built for developers who need to extract data efficiently and at scale. Its standout features include fast data extraction, a highly customizable architecture, and the ability to handle complex scraping scenarios. While it requires some coding knowledge, it's the gold standard for reliable data collection.
To set up Scrapy, you define spiders. These are small programs that tell Scrapy exactly which parts of a competitor's product page to visit and what information to extract, like product names, prices, and stock levels. Once configured, Scrapy can run continuously, fetching fresh data on a schedule you define. This replaces the tedious manual browsing with an automated, precise data feed.
Our second step involves configuring an AI agent to analyze the pricing changes detected by Scrapy. This is where we interpret the raw data and decide if an action is needed. For this, we'll leverage Echo.
Echo is a fascinating development, offering Fable-level results at 1/3 the cost using open-weight models. This means you get high-quality AI processing without the premium price tag often associated with proprietary models. Its key features are cost-effective inference, high-quality outputs, and flexible model use, making it ideal for budget-conscious businesses.
Once Scrapy delivers the competitor pricing data, we feed it into Echo. Echo's AI can then compare this new data against your current product prices, identify discrepancies, and even flag significant changes. For example, if a competitor drops their price by more than 5%, Echo can identify this as a critical event, ready for the next step.
The final, crucial step is connecting this AI analysis to your actual store for automatic updates. This is where the automation platform Make comes in.
Make, formerly Integromat, is a powerful no-code automation platform. It allows you to connect thousands of apps and automate workflows with a visual, drag-and-drop builder. Its standout features include a visual workflow builder, extensive integrations, and real-time data processing. Make is perfect for solopreneurs and small businesses who want sophisticated automation without writing code.
Here's how Make brings it all together. You create a scenario in Make. This scenario starts when new data is available from our Scrapy Echo pipeline. Make then takes the AI's analysis. For instance, competitor X dropped price on product Y by 10%. It then connects to your e-commerce platform, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or another, and executes a predefined action, like updating your product Y's price by 8% to undercut the competitor.
This entire process, from scraping to analysis to updating, becomes a seamless, automated loop. You're no longer reacting to the market, you're proactively adjusting to it. This isn't just a time saver, it's a strategic advantage that keeps your business agile and competitive in 2026.
The before and after is stark. Hours of manual, error-prone work versus an autonomous agent that operates 24/7, ensuring your pricing strategy is always optimized. This setup gives you a significant edge, allowing you to focus on growth rather than tedious price checks.
To recap, we used Scrapy for efficient data collection, Echo for intelligent pricing analysis, and Make to orchestrate the automatic updates to your store. This creates a powerful, set-and-forget system.
My recommendation for getting started with this is Make. Its visual builder makes complex integrations accessible even without coding knowledge, and its freemium model lets you experiment. Scrapy is best if you need deep customization and control over your scraping, and Echo offers an affordable way to integrate powerful AI analysis.
This isn't just a hypothetical workflow, it's a practical, implementable strategy for any e-commerce business looking to leverage AI. Stop manually checking competitor prices. An AI agent can do it 24/7, updating your store instantly.
Let's dive deeper into setting up Scrapy. First, you'll need Python installed. Then, open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install Scrapy. This command downloads and installs the Scrapy framework onto your system. Once installed, you can create a new Scrapy project by navigating to your desired directory and running Scrapy start project price_monitor. This generates a basic project structure with all the necessary files.
Next, you'll define your spider. Inside your price_monitor/spiders directory, create a new Python file, for example, competitor_spider.py. In this file, you'll write a class that inherits from Scrapy, spider. You'll specify name equals competitor_prices, start_urls equals http://www.examplecompetitor.com/products, and most importantly, the parse method. The parse method is where you write CSS selectors or XPath expressions to pinpoint the exact HTML elements containing the product name, price, and other details you want to extract. For a price, you might use something like response.css, span.productPrice, text.get, to grab the text content of a span with the class productPrice.
To run your spider and collect data, navigate back to your project's root directory in the terminal and execute Scrapy crawl competitor_prices, prices.json. This command tells Scrapy to run the spider named competitor_prices and save the extracted data into a JSON file called prices.json. You can schedule this command to run periodically using a cron job on Linux/macOS or Task Scheduler on Windows, ensuring continuous data collection.
Now, let's look at Echo. The first step is to sign up for an account on their platform. Once you have access, you'll need to create an API key, which will authenticate your requests. Echo provides client libraries in various programming languages, but for simplicity, we'll imagine using their HTTP API directly. You'll send your scraped prices.json data to Echo's inference endpoint.
The core of Echo's setup for our use case involves crafting a clear prompt for its AI model. You'll define what constitutes a significant price change. For example, your prompt might look like this. Analyze the following competitor product prices. Insert scraped data here. Compare them to my current product prices. Insert your store's prices here. Identify any competitor price drops greater than 5% and suggest a new competitive price for my product that is 2% lower than the new competitor price, but not below my cost of goods. You then send this prompt, along with your data, to Echo's API.
Echo will then return a structured response, typically in JSON, containing its analysis. This response might include fields like product_ID, competitor_new_price, my_suggested_price, and action_required, true/false. This clean, actionable output is what we'll feed into Make. The key is to iterate on your prompt to get the most accurate and useful responses from the AI for your specific pricing strategy.
Finally, let's walk through Make. After logging in, you'll start by creating a new scenario. Your first module will be a webhook or an HTTP module configured to receive the JSON output directly from Echo. This acts as the trigger for your entire automation. When Echo sends its analysis, Make's scenario will spring to life.
Next, you'll add a router module if you have different actions based on Echo's output, for instance, one path for price drops and another for price increases. For a price drop, you'd then add a filter to check if action_required is true and if my_suggested_price is available. If these conditions are met, you'll add your e-commerce platform's module, such as Shopify update a product or WooCommerce update a product.
In the e-commerce module, you'll map the data from Echo's output directly into the fields for updating your product. For example, product_ID from Echo Maps to Shopify's product ID, and my_suggested_price maps to Shopify's price. Save and activate your scenario. Now, whenever Echo identifies a significant price change, Make will automatically update your store, completing the entire automated loop.
If you're ready to implement this, start by exploring Make's free tier. Experiment with connecting it to your e-commerce platform. Then, consider how Scrapy and Echo can feed into that automation. For more breakdowns of professional AI tools and productivity hacks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be back soon with another deep dive into how AI can transform your workflow.